Changing your LLC name in California doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're rebranding or correcting a name that no longer fits your business, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. California allows LLCs to change their names without dissolving the company and starting over. The process involves filing a certificate of amendment with the Secretary of State and notifying various government agencies about your new identity. Before you begin the name change process, confirm that a full legal name change is necessary. If you simply want to operate under a different public-facing name while maintaining your legal entity, filing a DBA, doing business as, with your county, might be sufficient and less complex. First, check if your desired name is available by searching the California Secretary of State's business database. Your new name must be distinguishable from other businesses and comply with state naming laws. It must include limited liability company or abbreviations like LLC or LLC, and avoid words that suggest licenses you don't have or could be confused with government entities. Next, hold a formal meeting with your LLC members to vote on the name change. Document this decision in your meeting minutes as evidence that proper procedures were followed. This documentation may be needed later when updating accounts and contracts. The primary document for changing your LLC name is Form LLC-2, the Certificate of Amendment. You can download this form from the Secretary of State website. When completing it, you'll need your LLC's file number, current name exactly as it appears on your original Articles of Organization, and the new name you wish to use. The filing fee for a Certificate of Amendment is $30 for standard processing. Mail the completed form to the Secretary of State or submit it in person at their Sacramento office. You can also file online through the California Secretary of State's BizFile portal. Processing times vary, typically taking 5 to 15 business days for standard filings. If you need faster processing, California offers expedited services for additional fees, including 24-hour, same-day, or 4-hour options. After your name change is approved, you must update your business records and notify several government agencies. Start with the IRS if your EIN was issued under your previous name. While you won't need a new EIN, you should inform them of the change by letter or using Form 8822B. Notify the California Franchise Tax Board so your tax account reflects the new name. If your business collects sales tax, update your information with the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration. Businesses with employees should also update records with the Employment Development Department. Don't forget to update your operating agreement to reflect the new name, even though this isn't required by the state. This ensures consistency across internal documentation and strengthens legal clarity if ownership or contractual issues arise later. Update all your business records and contracts, including your membership ledger, commercial lease agreements, business bank accounts, supplier contracts, employment agreements, and insurance policies. Contact your bank to understand their specific requirements, as many will need proof of the approved amendment before changing the name on your accounts. Consider seeking legal assistance if your business operates in multiple states, you're undergoing a rebrand with trademark implications, or your LLC has complex ownership structures. Professional guidance can help avoid compliance errors and ensure all legal documents are accurately updated. Changing your LLC name in California involves multiple steps, but following this process ensures your new name is legally recognized across all government, legal, and financial documents. With proper planning and attention to detail, your business can smoothly transition to its new identity while maintaining its legal standing and business relationships.